Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to erase the check engine light or any other trouble code that you might have using an OBD scanner. So if you get a situation like this one, you'll know what to do. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Now, if you've never used an OBD scanner, we've made a separate video on that topic where you can see in more detail how to actually use an OBD scanner. As mentioned, the focus in this video will be how to reset the check engine light or any other trouble code that you might have. Also in this video, we're going to use the CG Sullett SC301 scanner. If you have another scanner, the basic principle can be applied also. They are more or less the same. The main thing is that you have a scanner that you can use not only to read codes but to access the car's computer. If you're interested in using or perhaps buying the CG Sullett SC301, we've made a separate review video on that topic. I'll leave a link so you can take a look. If you're perhaps interested in buying, I'll leave a link in the description. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, connect the OBD tool. In order to do this, you have to know where the OBD port is located on your car. The first place you should look around, and the most common place where it's located, is around the steering column and near the pedals, near the footwell here. So in case of the Skoda Fabia, which we're showing this on, the OBD port is located behind this compartment here. So take hold of this compartment and pull it down some more, and here is the OBD port. Now, after that, take the OBD tool and insert inside the OBD port. Like this. Okay. You have to turn on the ignition. Most OBD tools, just like this SC301, get their power input from the car, so once they're connected, they start working. After this, access the menu on your tool where you can erase the trouble code. Usually the tool will first perform a scan, like in this case. It may take some time while the scan is finished. In this case, the tool asks if you want to erase previously stored information. We'll choose yes. After that, another menu appears which contains an erase code command. From here you can erase the code. Select that command. Then you get a question, do you want to erase the trouble codes? Select yes using the confirm button, and the trouble code erasing is done. After that, press the escape button to return to the beginning of the menu. Once you're finished, turn off the ignition and disconnect the tool from the port. When disconnecting, you may have to wiggle it a bit. Be careful so you don't damage the port or connector. Now we're going to start the car. And as you can see, the check engine light is gone. For a brief recap, sorry about the Band-Aid, had a bit of an accident. So the first thing you do is find the OBD port on your car. Second, connect the OBD tool to the OBD port. Turn on the ignition. Don't turn on the engine, just the ignition. After that, search in the menu of your tool. Depending on the tool, it will probably make a scan first. After that, enter the diagnostic menu, search for the erase codes part using these buttons here. Go inside the menu, choose to erase the codes, and that's it. After that, turn off the ignition, disconnect the OBD tool, and after that check if the check engine light is gone. So that's it. One more last word of advice. If you can and if you have the possibility, buy an OBD tool for yourself. Cars have become computers on wheels, more or less, and some problems you can't solve without having one. Besides this, when buying an OBD tool, go for mid-range, okay? Don't buy the cheapest ones, don't buy the most expensive ones. I hope this video helps. I hope you'll be able to solve your problem using this video. If you find the time, please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Also, visit us at our website, despairrepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.